for making this happen. The security agencies for putting all the passes together, and of course our catering partners, because we are also showcasing our new hot meals. So about 2 years ago, in fact, almost exactly 2 years ago, in October, we had unveiled the new livery and branding when we took delivery of our first 737 MAX aircraft. And many of you were there at that event. Over the course of the next 20 odd months, we completed the induction of 50 white-tail 737 aircraft, and these were all painted in the new livery and inducted into service. Alongside, we also inducted 16 A320 aircraft, including our first A321s from Air India Express. So this fleet was transferred into the AOC of Air India Express. So over a course of this 20 odd months, we've been inducting aircraft at the rate of about 3.3.5 every month. Now that this exercise is over, the fleet is now 110 aircraft. We have a network on the back of this fleet. We have a network, and I'll talk a little bit about that as well. The branding exercise has been progressing alongside. So we thought it is a good opportunity to share with you the interiors, especially the new seats. And the first retrofitted aircraft is here today, and we are going to showcase that to you. The reason why we chose this environment, we thought let's look at the aircraft in its true place, and therefore we invited you all to the airport to have a look at it. Alongside, since we all gather here today, we also thought that we will showcase and sample the new hot meals that we have introduced. So we always offered hot meals on our service. This is a differentiator for us. Again, I have shared this with some of you at interactions earlier. The effort is now to strengthen our presence in the domestic India market. So about 2 years ago, the network was split 60% short haul international, 40% domestic. Today it is about 50-50. So we have been growing international short haul as well, but we have been growing faster on the domestic India market. Over the course of the next couple of years, we will be continuing on this trajectory. So the domestic network will be growing faster than the short haul international network. Again, on the domestic network, the strategy broadly is depth before spread. So we want to have a meaningful presence on city pairs and at least aim at say about 1/3 of the market. And our focus continues to be metro to tier 2, tier 3 cities. So if you look at our network structure, the bulk of our network, almost 80% of our domestic capacity, goes from metros to non-metros, tier 2, tier 3 cities. Why? Because one, this is the largest segment of the India domestic market, and this is also the fastest growing. So Air India focuses on the metro to metro routes and routes which have a greater composition of business traffic, and of course long haul international. Air India Express is focusing on the leisure markets, the VFR, the visiting friends and relatives market, the SME market, the value conscious market. And again, like I said, it is metro to non-metro primarily, and the short haul regional international. we are also strengthening our presence. We have primarily 3 hubs today.
Cushioning is very good.
Cushioning is
Cushioning is really
very
good.
especially taken.
Otherwise, on a 2.5 hour flight,